Respect is not given, it's taken. And if you think being kind, being available, or being agreeable will earn it, you've already lost. In this video, I'll show you the psychological secrets that force people to respect you, often without you saying a single word. Here are 7 tips to force respect from everyone. 1. Understand the dark truth about respect. People don't respect goodness, they respect boundaries, strength, and mystery. Dark psychology starts with one principle: humans follow power, not kindness. Most people try to earn respect through approval. That's backwards. You teach people how to treat you by what you allow, what you stop, and what you reinforce. 2. Build unshakable boundaries. Respect begins where your limits are known and enforced. Use the one warning rule. Tell people once, then act. The moment someone crosses a line and you do nothing, you tell them you are weak. Tactics: use silence and eye contact when someone disrespects you. Don't explain. People fear what they don't understand. Silence is key. 3. Control your reactions. Emotional control equals psychological dominance. When someone tries to provoke you, your calmness makes them feel powerless. Never react immediately. Delay, observe, then act from strength. Dark psychology insight: whoever controls the emotional tone of an interaction controls the power dynamic. 4. Master the power of presence. Body language speaks louder than words. Use slow, deliberate movements. Keep your head still when listening. Stand tall, shoulders back, eye contact, and speak less. Power trick: when you enter a room, scan slowly, pause, observe, then move. You dominate through your energy. 5. The law of scarcity: be rare. Always be slightly unavailable. People respect what is scarce and unpredictable. Don't always answer immediately. Don't always say yes. Make them chase your attention. When you are always available, you are taken for granted. When you are rare, you are respected. 6. Use strategic detachment. Detachment shows power. Neediness shows weakness. Walk away without explaining yourself. If someone violates your standard, disappear without warning or drama. Tactics: when someone disrespects you, don't argue. Withdraw. Let your absence be the punishment. 7. Keep a controlled mystery. Reveal little. Let them wonder what you're thinking. Never overshare, never explain your moves. The more unpredictable and emotionally self-contained you are, the more respect you command. Respect is rooted in uncertainty. They respect you because they don't fully understand you. Respect is not something you ask for. It's something you force the world to give you by being a boundary-keeping, emotionally dominant, strategically distant, mysterious version of yourself. And when you finally learn this, people won't just respect you, they'll fear losing your presence. Subscribe for more psychological tips, and check out our other videos on the playlist to see the world from a different lens.